Hey, this is Dr. Chad Duplantis. I'm a practicing clinician in Fort Worth, Texas, and today I would like to share with you how to attach the dispensing tip to the syringe for the new GC FujiCEM Evolve cement. This syringe is similar to many of the others that we have in our practices for other cements. However, if you'll notice, the tip is slightly different. You have your traditional dispensing tip, and you have what's called a locking mechanism on it. Now, the locking mechanism ensures a complete seat into the syringe. So what you first want to do is you want to take a look at the syringe and make sure that the locking mechanism is in the open position. On top of the syringe, the dispensing tip, you'll see the word push. If that is open or not depressed, it is in the unlocked position. Once it is depressed, it is locked, and you'll notice another piece of the locking mechanism comes out of the opposite end of the dispensing tip. So prior to anything, make sure that the dispensing tip is in the open position. You want to take the tip off of the syringe. You want to express just a very small amount onto a mixing pad to make sure that both of the orifices are patent. You'll also notice that both of the orifices are the exact same size, which that means that the tip can go on in either direction. So once you've determined that it's open and the dispensing tip is in the unlocked position, go ahead and place the dispensing tip on. Depress it, it's in the locked position, and then go ahead and dispense and utilize for whatever case that you may be utilizing a resin modified glass ionomer cement with. I hope that this tip was helpful, and I hope that you'll take a look at GC's new FujiCEM Evolve, because I think it's got a great future in dentistry. Thank you.